Today in this video I am sharing about Teams policies and how to set policies for students and teachers in school and college. For this, let's start from admin portal admin.teams.microsoft.com. You can log in to this. You can browse this or you can directly move from Office 365, log into portal.office.com. In dashboard you can see users activity. You can search for users also. Now let's move to meetings. Here inside meeting policies you can add new policies to. Recently Teams have updated policies packages. Also you can use from these packages also. Here I have already created policies for students. Let's view it. Here you can see inside students policy I have kept general. Meet now in channel is off. Outlook add-in is also off. Channel meeting scheduling also off. Private meeting scheduling also off. And next, audio and video. In this section, transcription is off. Cloud recording is also off. IP audio. More for IP audio. You can disable these two, but it's required. Therefore, I have kept it to enable. IP video is also enable. Meeting policy form fields allow IP video on. And content sharing. In content sharing you can see screen sharing mode is disabled. In lower grades it can be difficult to manage classes because students interrupt you by sharing their screen while you present. Therefore you can disable it. You can disable here, or you can set single application sharing mode or entire screen. Here I have disabled it. Allow participants to give or request control is also off. External participant to give or request control off. PowerPoint sharing also off. Allow whiteboard also off, and share notes, but I have given access to use share notes only. It's on here. Next, participants and guests. In this section you can keep everything off and automatically admit people to everyone in your organization only. Enable live caption, disable, but user can override chat meetings. Allow chat in meetings, enabled. We can disable it, or it can be managed by teachers from there into. Therefore I have enabled it. If any teachers want to disable chat in their class, then they can manage by themselves. Therefore I have allowed her meetings chat. By this way you can manage meeting policies for students. Now let's add a new meeting policy for teachers. I will add meeting policy for teachers. Title, meet now in channel. I'll keep it off because sometimes teachers also get confused while using meeting option. Normally in schools and college it's better to use calendar to schedule meetings. Therefore I will disable this. Outlook add-in, it's okay. Allow channel meeting scheduling, it's okay. On. Private meeting on. Audio video. In this section, cloud recording. Previously in students policies we didn't give cloud recording permission. Teachers need to record their class, therefore let's allow them to record their class. It will be kept to on. And mode for IP, audio enable both audio and video. After this, content sharing, PowerPoint, it's required. In screen sharing mode also, entire screen, because they can move to any application during presentation by sharing their screen. Next thing, allow an external participant to give a or request control of PowerPoint sharing on, whiteboard on, share notes on. Participants and guests, in this section let's keep everything off. Enable live caption, let's disable but user can override. Chat in meetings enabled. Meet now in private meetings, other things off, and save. Now this policy will be saved and we can assign this policy for teachers. You can assign policy from this section also. Manage users, you can select the policy you want to assign for users and add users from here. You can add up to 20 users from here. For batch operation, you would better use PowerShell. I will share about that too. Here let's add few teachers. And apply. This policy with teachers will be assigned for these 3 users. And if you want to assign students policy, similarly you can manage users here. Let's add 005. And apply. By this way you can assign policy for teachers and students separately.